Action.
Alright, so this is my 1012 verde radia. About 23.9 pounds. Start off, you got your stock duo, camel tires, supposed to be 10, got change this one. You got cinema rim on each tire, and they're both 20-inch. Then you got your logo, white pedals, pretty cool. Of course, you got your duo, Martinez, brake cable, as well as duo cord grips, which I also love. And my pedals, brake cable, and grips are only custom things to this bike. Everything else is black originally. Find it on Dance Comp and a couple other BMX bikes. And yeah, pretty nice bike. It's kind of loose at first. Every time you put something together, you might have to put it together a couple times, but otherwise, pretty good bike.
With my recent video, the verde theory, you got that right about the loose stuff. Almost everything on it's loose, so be sure and tighten it up if you get a bike from Dance Comp. And back.
Yeah.
Comment, subscribe.
You have, of course, you got your front load stem. Well, I have to put all my Dance Comp stickers on. And the stickers do peel off very easy. So
86, Dance Comp.
yeah, that's about it.
Comment, subscribe, tell your friends. Have a good day, and this is an awesome movie production.